Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect Mailchimp with your Squarespace website. If you've been wanting to send out newsletters, automate your marketing, or simply grow your audience directly from your Squarespace site, this simple integration is going to open up a whole new world of possibilities for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Mailchimp synced up and ready to use, so you can start creating sleek email campaigns and manage your contacts more effectively. Let's dive right in. So first things first, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. This is your central hub where you control everything related to your website, from design tweaks to backend tools. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your Squarespace account. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct site if you manage more than one. This way, you'll connect Mailchimp to the right place. Once you're inside Squarespace, look over to the left side of the dashboard and click on Settings. Now, sometimes it takes a second for the Settings panel to load. Don't worry if there's a brief delay, especially if you have a lot of content on your site. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find a lot of options. But what we're after today is anything related to your integrations. So look for the section labeled Third-Party Tools. Now, why are we going through third-party tools? Squarespace has designed this section specifically for connecting with outside services, like Mailchimp, to make your site work smarter, not harder. When you click on third-party tools, you'll see a list of platforms you can link up with. But to get to Mailchimp, the next step is to click on Extensions. Extensions are kind of like apps for your website. They add extra features and functionality beyond what Squarespace offers out of the box. Think of it like upgrading your phone with new apps to help you do your job better. Inside Extensions, scroll or search for Mailchimp. If you don't see it right away, you might want to use the search bar at the top. Just type in Mailchimp, and it should pop up quickly. When Mailchimp appears, select it and click Connect. This is the moment when you're going to link these two platforms together, so your website can send info straight to your email lists and automations. Now, here's an important step you shouldn't rush. After you hit Connect, Squarespace will prompt you to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't already have a Mailchimp account, this is a good time to set one up. It's free for basic use and perfect for starting out. Enter your Mailchimp login details as prompted. Squarespace will ask for permission to access your Mailchimp data. This is totally normal, and it's what allows the systems to talk to each other securely. You might see a couple of confirmation screens, so just follow the prompts and give it a minute. Sometimes integrations take a few moments to finalize in the background. And that's it. The connection is complete. From here, you can start using Mailchimp's powerful tools to collect emails, launch campaigns, or automate follow-ups, all from the comfort of your Squarespace dashboard. If you want to double-check everything's connected, try adding a newsletter sign-up form to a page and watch your new subscribers appear on Mailchimp, like magic. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me keep making more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions about Mailchimp, Squarespace, or anything else website related, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And if you want to keep leveling up your website skills, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides. Thanks so much for watching, and happy emailing.